This demo will cover how to release feedback to your students after a Brightspace quiz. Use this option when you want to postpone letting your students see the correct questions or answers to a quiz. To set up feedback options, go into your quiz in D2L. Here I have a sample quiz already set up. In the settings panel on the right, go down to the evaluation and feedback area. Click the triangle to drop down. By default, the results are set to auto-publish attempt results immediately upon completion, synchronize to the gradebook on publish, display the attempt grade, and display no questions. These are good options to leave if you want students to see their numeric score after finishing a quiz, and if you do not want them to see any of the questions or answers. So we'll leave that for now. Make the quiz visible to students when you're ready for them to take it, and save and close. Let's take a look at this from the student view. Here the student has just taken the quiz, and once they click submit to turn in their quiz, the view appears as expected. We see the date and time and their score. Let's go back to the instructor view. Go back into the quiz to edit the feedback view. After everyone has taken the quiz, or whichever time you want to release the results, go into evaluation and feedback again, and choose the display option you want your students to see. So in this example, I'll choose incorrect questions without correct answers. So students will see which ones they got wrong only. And then save and close again. As the student grades have already been published to the gradebook, we need to republish the grades to reflect our updated display choice. To do that, click the drop down next to your quiz and choose grade. To update the gradebook feedback to let students see your new display choice, you will need to select all students. You can use the select all box at the top of the class list. Note that the default is 20 students per page. If you have more than 20 students, choose a larger number to ensure that all your students appear. In this demo, I only have one student. And now click publish at the top. You'll get a prompt that users will receive feedback on publishing. Click yes to continue. And now this will update what the students see when they look at their grade. Let's return to the student view. Now when a student goes back into the quiz tool, they will see the on attempt feedback. So the student clicks that. Then they have a link for attempt 1. And now the options that you chose will appear. So in this case, the student is only seeing which answers they got wrong, and they are seeing the answers they submitted, not the correct answer. So you can customize this to let your students see the level of feedback or the questions and answers that you want them to see. This concludes the demo of releasing quiz feedback. If you need further assistance, please check out our TLC website at sites.wit.edu/TLC.